Stop recording. Speech off.
Hey guys, sorry for the background noise, but yeah, there's something going on. Anyways, I got this Android tablet here and it's booting up. But while it's booting up, I can tell you what the buttons and stuff are. There's the power button, and then there's the headphone jack, and then there's the micro USB port, there's a charging port, and then there's the volume buttons. So everything is on the bottom. Kind of weird, right? Well, it's kind of booting up, so I'm going to move over. No, wait, I can't move. Crud. But what I am going to do is wait for this thing to completely and officially boot up. And then we're going to hear good old talkback because it's an Android. It's not called good old talkback, but it's just called talkback. But it's Android's version of, let's just say, voiceover. It's just a very cool screen reader. So yeah, if you want to know more about it, you're going to have to see. And once this thing completely boots up, you're going to find out that it's not that hard to figure it out. Okay, the camera is like this, and it's going to be focusing on what the thing is. So, it's booting up. Whoops. I didn't mean to hit it. It's my bad. So I'm swiping, and apparently there's nothing. And if that background noise would just quit. I'm just kidding. But there is some background noise. I don't even know why the heck I decided to record, but apparently there's going to be background noise throughout this entire video. But I don't know. I mean, well, you guys may be wondering what that is. It's just some background noise. You don't need to know about it. I know what it is, but I don't want you guys to know. So, it's kind of a no deal type thing. Wait, is this thing even booting up? Hold on a second. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, now it's booting up, man. Jeez, the heck. And here, this whole time I thought it was booting up. Thank you, God. I didn't even notice it was not booting up. Okay. Now I'm going to show you. Right there. If you could see it, it's the logo. There are 2 dogs on it. The reason I know this is because I've heard about it. And, so yeah. So now that this thing is booting up, I took the plastic that was originally on this off. Because, well, let's just say something happened. Alright, so I'm wiping the tablet off to make it a lot cleaner. And yeah, it probably does have a lot of smudges on it. So, there are probably people here that don't know I'm doing a video, so, I might have to force quit the video or whatever. I might have to stop the video. But anyways, this video shall continue. And apparently the background noise stopped, so I'm happy about that. At least that won't be bothering me that much anymore. Okay, that means talkback is on. There's no voice, but you gotta give it a second to warm up. That's the lock sound. See, I've had Android for about a year now, and I don't really keep up with this tablet that much, so yeah. See, I can move my hand, like my finger, across the screen.
Unlock button.
There's talkback.
Double tap to unlock.
Yeah, let's unlock this baby.
Selected. Pin area. Delete button. Dot. Dot.
Good thing Android hides the
Dot.
numbers.
Bullet. Bullet. Dot. 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 Bullet. Dot. 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 Double tap to activate. Dot.
Oh, did I forget
Dot.
the speakers on the very top?
Dot. Dot. Delete button. Dot. 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 Bullet. Dot. Double tap to activate.
Okay, where's the enter button?
Dot. Dot.
Come on, enter
Home
button.
button. Back. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Lock. Dot. Double tap. Dot. Double tap to activate. Dot. Dot. Home button. Back. Lock screen. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold. Home button. Back. Home button. Dot. Bullet. Dot. Bullet. Bullet. Dot.
See,
Dot.
Android is so confusing.
Enter button. 9 characters replaced with 0 characters.
It won't even let me
Wrong
in.
pin.
All right. See, it
Select.
requires a pen,
Delete. Dot.
like I would do on
Dot.
here.
Double tap to. Dot. Delete button. Dot. Dot. Bullet. Bullet. Dot. Bullet. Dot. Bullet.
I know,
Dot.
I know.
Enter button.
And once we finally get in here,
Device unlocked.
it's unlocked. All right, so we got the device unlocked finally. Man, that took forever. All right, now where's that charging port? Oh, yes.
Google Now Launcher. Search. Charging started. Battery level 20%.
Ooh. It didn't do the charging sound like I thought it. Oh, there it goes. But anyways, yeah, let's go.
Go to Discover.
So when I looked at the iOS
Double tap
devices
to activate.
that I was looking at, like the iPod and iPad, the home screen was a lot different. All the apps were shown in pages. It's kind of the same here, but, well, then you've got an apps button on Android. And you even got an all apps button on the Apple Watch, which I will do more videos of. Right now, the Apple Watch has got its own problems.
Google search.
And yes,
Double
there are a
tap to
few different things on here.
Voice search. Bop it.
Yes, there's the Bop It
Double
app, the
tap
good
to
old
activate.
Bop It
Double
app,
tap
which
and
is
hold to long press. Actions available. Use
a good thing I can do that.
Discord.
There's the Discord
Double
app.
tap to folder. Google.
And yes, there's a Google
Double tap
folder.
to activate. Double tap and
Just
hold
like
to
on
long
iOS,
press.
there's
Actions available. Use
Just like on iOS, there's a folder. But in iOS, there's like one folder, which is the extras or utilities. If you're on a iPod,
settings.
there's the settings.
Double tap to
Those are your Android settings.
home.
There's the home.
Double tap to activate.
Now,
Double tap and hold to long press.
I don't know
Actions
if the
available.
home-
Use to view. Play Store.
There's Google's App Store. It's called the Play Store.
Home screen 1 of 3. Settings.
All right,
Double
let's
tap
go
to
into-
activate.
Now there are instead of pages, there's home screens, which there's 3 of them, or 2 of them, 2 or 3. Then there's like 2 when you first get it.
Play Store. Home screen 1 of 3. Settings.
So let's double tap on
Double
settings
tap to
here.
activate. Wallpapers. Widgets. Settings.
Actually, let's use the handy back button. That's
Back
always on the
button.
bottom.
Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Home
And
screen 1 of 3.
apparently,
Speech on.
Home screen 1 of 3.
Close button.
Search.
Close button.
Google Now Launcher.
alright,
YouTube back button.
let me just plug this in real quick. Don't worry, this will take a second. Alright, good.
Search.
So we got that. Okay.
Search.
Okay, sorry. I didn't mean for that to happen. I had it right there, I think. I don't know. I don't know what the heck I was doing, but...
Stop recording button.
I hope it's charging. Hang on.
Discord now. Windows alert. Hashtag hub notification. Dismiss.
There, it should be charging now.
Folder. Google.
Alright, let's get back to what we were doing.
Discord. Folder. Google.
Discord now. Overpowered cowboy. Hashtag speech off.
Double
Speech
tap
on.
to activate.
Notification.
Double
Dismiss.
tap and hold to long press.
Speech off.
Options available.
Would you be
Use to
quiet,
view.
Discord? I mean, seriously, I've got a lot of stuff.
Settings.
Alright, so we got our settings page.
Settings. Search settings. Page. Settings. Search settings. Double tap to activate. Double tap and hold. Settings.
Okay, it's
Search setting.
possible.
Page. Setting. Search settings. Back button.
Alright, so I'm gonna have to go back.
Home screen 1 of 3.
Alright, hang on.
Home. Settings.
Android is a bit slow.
Settings. Settings. Search settings. Page. Set. Search. Page. Page.
I guess I'll double tap on the page button. I don't know.
Search setting. Setting. Search settings. Page. Overview button.
Oh,
Overview. Settings. Open settings application.
overview
settings.
is your app switcher on
Double
Android.
tap. Back button. Settings. Page. Device 9 of 29. In list 29 items.
Whoops.
Setting. Search. Suggest. Add another.
Okay.
More option. More Bluetooth.
Wi-Fi.
Wireless and networks for Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi,
Bluetooth
Bluetooth.
Data usage 0 B.
Okay, data
More 8
usage.
of 29. More 8 of 29.
Okay, there's more.
Device 9 of 29. Display 10 of 29.
Okay, the display, at least, now TalkBack is upgraded to where you can, do the change thing. Like,
Notifications.
No.
All apps allowed to send 11 of 29.
the
Double
number,
tap to activate.
it tells you the number, the option number in this list of options. There's 29 in here, so I don't know how many are in iOS. I'll have to check it out sometime. And now Android is frozen. What a pity.
Notifications on. Sound ring volume and
Okay, sound.
apps 65 apps installed 13
There's
of 29.
65
Double
apps
tap
on
to
here.
activate. Storage 4.09 GB of 10.9. Device 9 of 29.
Oh my gosh. 16 gigabytes. Yeah, this is not good.
Notifications. Storage.
Storage.
Battery 21.
Now, 21% battery. This thing is
Email
charging.
50 new messages. Memory. Battery 20. Users signed in as beyond 17.
Sign in
Personal,
as beyond.
18 of
That's my
29.
Google account.
Location on battery. Security. Accounts 21 of 20. Google 22. Languages and input English, United States 23. System 25 of 20. Backup and reset.
Okay,
System.
system.
Date and time. Accessibility 27 of 29.
Now,
Double tap to activate.
now for those who have an Android tablet, like what I have, and they do not have any accessibility features turned on, then accessibility is the 27th option. So let's double tap.
Accessibility. Menu but accessibility. Services heading 1 of 29 in list 29 items.
Alright, this is where it kind of gets weird.
Talkback on 2 of 29.
Yeah,
Double
talkback
tap
is the
to activate.
first one. I kind of need to delete one of them. There's like 2 or 3 different talkbacks. So I'm going to go into the first one.
Talkback. Talkback. Settings.
Now there's supposed to be
Double
a
tap to
braille
activate. Double
option
tap and
in
hold
here.
to long press.
There's supposed to be a braille option in here.
Talkback setting. Talkback. Version 8. Speech in list. Speech volume. Match media volume.
Okay, that's
Text to speech
important.
settings. Verbosity. Other feedback. Sound feedback. Sound feedback audio ducking. Decrease other audio volume while speaking. Off switch.
Off.
Navigation. Single tap activation. Experimental tap on currently focused item to activate. Off switch. Show context menu as list on switch. Gestures. Selector. Double keyboard shortcuts. Custom labels. Miscellaneous. Talkback suspend and resume. Dim screen shortcut. Resume from suspend when open Talkback at the Play Store. Current Talkback version 60,100,000. Developer settings. Talkback tutorial. Help and feedback. Developers.
Let's go into here real quick.
Developer settings.
Because this
Navigate
is
up
not
button.
anything.
Double
On
tap to
iOS, you
activate.
don't even get developer settings.
Developer set. Log output level. Error in list. Display speech output off switch.
Speech
Double tap
output.
to activate. Enable node tree debugging off switch. Enable performance statistics off switch. Filter accessibility event logging 0 events select. Explore by touch on switch.
Explore by
tap to
touch. Yeah.
Navigate up.
Yeah, there's not very many settings in
Talkback
here.
setting. Talkback. Help and feedback. Privacy policy. Terms of service. Navigate up button out of
Now, the
list.
thing about voiceover and talkback, Yes, they have the same swiping gesture to go through items.
Talkback tutorial in list.
By the way,
Double
there's
tap to
a
activate.
talkback tutorial.
Overview button. Settings.
So, what's
Clear
different
all.
about
Double
overview
tap to activate.
when it comes to the app switcher in iOS? Well, you can either close one app individually
Settings. Clear all.
or just hit,
Double tap to activate.
if you are sighted, you can just tap the clear all button. Or if you're blind, like me, you can double tap it.
All recent applications
And
dismissed.
there you go. All apps are
Home
dismissed.
screen 1 of 3. Settings. Google Now Launcher. Double
And
tap
there we
to
go.
activate. Double tap and hold to long press. Actions available. Use to view.
Okay. So, let's power this unit off.
Power off. Power off 1 of 2. In list 2 items. Restart 2 of 2.
There's a restart.
Double tap to power off 1 of 2. Double tap to activate. Double tap
Or
and hold to
power
long
off.
press. Alert power off. Shutting down.
And now it's shutting down. And we should be done here. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I know I didn't really show much of anything, except for the logo in the startup. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. And by the way, this is Technology Freak 1000 signing off.